wanted to create a project that will be both functional and will make the house look good and answer the client's need. So we performed a few tasks and a few trades in this house and started to put the process on wheels as soon as possible with Asel, our designer.
The main purpose of the design was to transform budget-conscious space into really fresh and modern living environment. We had some challenges here. First of all, the overall condition of this space was pretty dated. The layout wasn't working well for our intentions and for what client was seeking. So we had to explore the chance of taking down some walls here, creating more open concept and bringing together the kitchen and the living room. The best thing about this place is this breathtaking scenery behind with rolling hills and woods that frames every window. We really wanted to create a nice connection between the indoor and outdoor and complement all the views that we have here. We focused mainly on choosing really light colors, lots of natural looks, lots of natural textures.
Set up a meeting together with our architect, engineer, the client and Asel together to assess the entire project and understand where do we need to start, how do we make the project functional without investing too much money, too much time, and creating the luxury space that Asel was talking about. So one of the things we decided was that we're going to remove only the walls that are non-load bearing and create a special design with the walls that are still bearing and kind of connect the spaces, giving it an open look, but at the same time not investing money and time in removing walls that are supporting and structural. And we decided together, me and Asel, to target the showrooms and the materials that we would know would be in the client's budget, but at the same time will answer his needs and will make the project look good.
So one of the key things is that we didn't relocate appliances, we didn't relocate the sink position, we actually didn't relocate the island. So we were fortunate to have an opportunity to take down this wall and turn this nice beautiful piece into the freestanding island on its own. So one of the key things that we wanted to do is to add a little bit of green shades here. You can see it with the undertone on the walls, but the backsplash is the main one that supports the whole view from the windows around. And the way how we combine the natural tones on the upper cabinets with the just nice and flat and plain bottom cabinets, I think that gives a little bit unique look to this kitchen.
Right behind me here are a new beautiful fireplace that we remodeled. Very happy to see it, looks beautiful. And Asel will explain you a little bit about the bathrooms that were remodeled.
The master bathroom needed the most attention from us, and we didn't want to create anything that like super bright or funky. We wanted to keep it really smooth and modern and very relaxing. So I used lots of textures that resembles natural stones in it, and the vanity with the wood tones helped a lot. So I think the transformation was really magnificent. We really love what we are doing. We take every project as very special, so we'd love to talk to you about your upcoming one.
Thank you for the opportunity, guys, to walk you through our project. If you seek to do your home renovation or remodel, we are here for you. Feel free to contact us.